playbeats.com.
Play, you got the heat, boy.
Where today's going to be a leg workout. As you can see, you've seen the clip with me performing exercise routine on the Smith machine. Smith machine is an assisted squat machine, so for beginners, that's one of the best machines to work on to definitely progress your way onto using a barbell. So what I like to do is progressive training, progressive loading, where I gradually increase the weight as I go along. I start off with 10s, then it increases to 25. And then for now, really squatting heavy at the current moment, just doing it just to keep the muscles and the definition there. So this is a routine I'm showing you to build. This is a routine that's going to build your lower body. When I say lower body, I'm saying your glutes. So right now we're going to get into some isometric movements. That means working on one body part at a time. Right now we're going to use the leg press machine, or I'm going to use the leg press machine and focus on just using one leg at a time, simply because there's imbalances and I want to focus on working on those imbalances and making sure that both of my legs have the same amount of strength. So my weakest side is my right leg for some reason, but my left leg is smaller than my right leg, so it's just trying to create that balance. Make sure you don't lock out your knees whenever you're performing this. You can extend, but don't lock out. So what happens is you're gonna set yourself up for injury in the long run if you lock out your knees. Like right here is the perfect, don't go like this. Worst thing to ever do. Whenever you come down, you come back up. This is the perfect way to leave your knees. Never lock out like this. Never lock out like this. What's gonna happen is you're gonna set yourself up for injury in the long run. So I'm getting some calf work in right now. Oh, I hate working out calves. Working on the back of the thighs. The standing hamstring machine, you won't find this at every gym, but if you do find it at your gym, this is, I prefer this over the laying hamstring machine, but pretty much. So this is the last exercise routine that I'm going to get ready to perform. It's going to be a burnout, running up and down the stairs with a 25-pound plate. Let's get it. I'm gonna do this 4 times. Currently making a power roll, similar to the cinnamon roll that I showed you in the last like cheat meal hacks, but this, I'm having this on a wrap instead. And I would typically consume this right after a weight training session. This wrap isn't gluten-free, it's made out of whole wheat. So I have a whole wheat lavish wrap. Spread the peanut butter on first. I would typically consume this before or after a workout session. Spread the peanut butter right in the middle. Or you can use sunflower or hemp seed butter. Or almond butter. And I have some raw honey. Spread the raw honey on top of that peanut butter. Peppers. Put the cinnamon. Chia seeds. If you like this video, please make sure that you go ahead and hit that like button right now. I'll see you next time.